Hey, VACE is the latest video generation model, a powerful open-source video generation model. Hello everyone, this is AI Big News. Today I will teach you how to deploy this model locally on your computer. This model combines multiple reference images and character settings into one video. What's even cooler is he can transfer actions from one video to another. These examples really show his potential. VACE has released versions of the 1.3b and 1.4b models, and open to everyone to download. The 1.4b model can generate 720p video. However, a graphics card with large video memory is required. The 1.3b model can generate 480p video. No need for a graphics card with large video memory. A medium graphics card can infer this model to generate video. The 1.4b model has many advantages. It can generate consistent characters, and you can control the character's movements. However, it requires 80 GB of RAM to run. I don't have computer hardware with this configuration, but don't despair. Since VACE is an open-source model, its quantitative version will also be released later. Today we will teach you how to use a quantized version of the model. This is VACE's GitHub page. This project currently has 2,100 stars. Currently supports video generation video. Generate video from reference elements. Extract actions from videos to generate videos. This project released a 1.4b video generation model on May 14th. Click this link to download. Both models follow the Apache 2.0 license. This means you can do almost anything you want with it, including commercial use. The installation instructions on this GitHub page are for Linux systems. Of course, our tutorial today. It is the installation solution on the Windows operating system. I have released a one-click install script for my supporters. Of course, I will also tell you how to install it manually. One-click installation scripts are for those who don't want to spend time researching software installation. Manual installation is also very simple. As long as you take the time to research, you will succeed. Next, I will explain how to manually deploy this video model locally. First, we download the portable version of Comfy UI. Download the latest version. Click this compressed package to download. Unzip the downloaded compressed package. Enter this folder. Install the plugin in the folder you just click. Click this green button to copy the link. Enter CMD in the folder path. Then enter Get Clone. Then paste the link. Each subsequent plugin does the same thing. The window shows that I have installed the plugin. I will link these plugins. Put it in the guidance notes. Certainly, the quantized model is not as good as the original model, but it also gives you the opportunity to experience. Let's try it now. Only 8 GB of RAM is required to run the VACE model. During plugin installation, one issue needs attention. If there is a requirements text file in the plugin directory, then you have to install it. Install all plugins. We will download the corresponding model. I will put the models that need to be downloaded on the Notes page. Everyone go to my Notes page to get the download link of the model. Open the model download page. Click the download button to download the model. Then put the downloaded model in the corresponding folder. Finally, we return to the Comfy UI root directory. Double-click the startup script to start the software. The startup page shows that the plugin is missing. We need to click the Settings button. Install missing plugins. Click to install. Install the missing plugins. The software will prompt you to restart the software. After restarting, you can generate videos. This is the video I generated for the test. Thank you for watching. See you next time.